I was in this similar situation. We went for family and relatives and friends for my Tito Bibot. It was so painful at that time. And I never knew it would be more painful today. Speaking for my lolo. The past week has been so hard for me. I grew up in lolo all my life. He was the center of everything. Everything I did, sa school, my work, everything was just to make him proud. This man in front of you has been one of the most special men in my life. He was even the ultimate important person before I met my husband and my son. This man has been the center of most of my life. Since I was young, it was all about him. How how I could get his attention, how can I make him proud, or how I can make him happy. Many would have thought that I was unfortunate growing up without a father beside me. But not once did this man make me feel that way. He paid for my education. He disciplined me. He molded me to become what I am today. I am so thankful to him for my life, for everything. I owe so much to my lolo. He gave me not only his money, but his time. Growing up, I remember he would take me to the airport with him to let him see him work, even go to the bank every day. So kung nalakakain ko, pero sobrang appreciate ko yun. Pero gusto niya guro, doon ko sa gawa pa lang kami ni Manang Pixie, ang apo. She was my lola's favorite, and I was my lola's. So ang ulat ko sa gamot ko, gaano na pala ko siya. I feel so lucky that I've known him all my life. And without him, I don't know. He is the strong guy that binds our family. And because of him, my cousins, my titos and titas, my family, we're all together. And now it's gone. So long to move on. It's so painful. My lolo has always been proud of us. He takes our calling cards, my titos and my brother, my cousins. He would ask for our calling cards because he'd show it out. He'd show it out sa mga friends niya, hindi ko kilala sa akin. When we give him wala naman money whenever we come home. Pero binibigyan na sa kanila, naghiga, short na sa kuya, o sa bata yan. I'll never forget that. The past few times I've been home, he keeps telling me every time, Pink, kaya ako ginatag mga kwarta ganito ako, so wallet ko. Every time I come home, ipakita nila 500 peso bill. It's neatly folded in his wallet. Every time I come home, he'd say thank you. It always remembered, I never forget. Pero ayaw niyo ba lang to give money to small kids? Yeah, so every morning you would give money to them. Happy na siya. So when he died, I took the 500 back. I'm gonna keep it forever. 3 weeks ago, I was here for vacation with my cousins. He was telling me ako na siya nasugat. Siya ko na ni Lola ko. 3 nights na siya ko na nasugat. My cousin po and I were there in his bedside. I was crying. But see, I did not kumupon. Yan ba? Si Lola yung kita yan. Si Ate Kati. Ako yan. Lumakad ka. Hindi na nakamakita. Pero oo. Pero before kami nag-huli, I saw he was tired. Number niya pick up ako. So before I left, I told him, wala tanong pulo. Pabalik ko. 2 weeks na, pabalikin ko. Mabilis na ako, mabalik ako nito. Balik ko nito. Balik ka dugay. Pagkaya, mapatay na ako. Kung ako dali kang ginagawa na kasi wala niya. When he came back, he was so weak. Hindi siya kumabalik. But then, I was able to tell him, I love him. He just kept on loving. I was able to thank him for everything. Sa talagang ginatag niya sa akin. He just gave us a few hours. And then sa kagawin sa A3 ang pagkakala na siya. Before I forget, I just want to share with you also how generous my Lola is. Kasi isa ko dito the other night, kung hindi naman muna ka-generous si Lolo ko, siguro magkahalong dito na kami katakot. But all he wants is to give his money, his time, his love. When we were young, he was so strict. But now that he's become old, nag-mellow na siya. He's more loving now. He holds our hand. He tells us thank you, that he loves us. I think I'm one of the luckiest people to have seen how he has evolved, how strict he was when I was young. But now that he's old, he was old, he has shown us how much he loved us. Tapos nasa-dlat na siya. That's why mga cousins ko walang record siya dapat si Paula, si Jinky, they give so much of their effort to him. Sometimes I feel bad that I'm not here. And I know that we took care of him. Ginashave na kasi lolo, paliguan, sila Lolo. We all grew up well because of him. Mostly because of him. He is our rock. He's our inspiration. Nothing is God. I just hope that me and my cousins and our family will all take care of each other and will still remember his memory. Thank you.